Hey, what's up, guys? So, I don't know you know this or not, but Apple introduced the iPhone 11 repair program because there were some iPhone 11 users which were experiencing some display issues which were manufactured between December 2019 to May 2020. So, how to check that is your device applicable for that repair program or not? So first of all, go to general, and after going into settings, go to general, then go to about section. Then here you can see here is the serial code. Then tap long press on the serial code, then copy that, and after copying that, go to the home screen. Then I have linked this website in the description, so you can directly go to this website. This is iPhone 11 display module replacement program for touch issues. So what you have to do is click here, then you have to long press here, then paste it, and after doing this, submit it. And here, as you can see, my device is not applicable for this. It means my device does not have any touch issues. This says the serial number you entered is not eligible into this program due to one of these issues. Below you can see it's not effective with the serial number range or our records that your device has already been serviced as a part of program, or this device is not eligible. It means my device is perfect and my device is manufactured after the May 2020. So if your device is having this issue, you can check it same way I did for my device. And if it is affected, be sure to drop down your comments below. And what do you think about this repair program? Will it be successful or not? And I would like to hear your opinion. And if this video was helpful for you all, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, because I do these type of things almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.